プレゼンテーションを再開いたします。No.5 Aumsat Technologies プレゼンテーションタイトルは Chika Mizu Integrated Groundwater Detection, Tracking, Prediction, Forecast, Estimation, and Remediation by Novel Non-invasive Techniques for Irrigation Management です。それではお願いいたします。Please start your presentation.
Konnichiwa. Imagine you had been given the responsibility of setting up a civilization on the moon. What would be the most essential resource you would look for sustaining life? Yes, you are absolutely right. It is water. Water on the moon was an interesting discovery. After Neil Armstrong landed on the moon, water on the moon was first discovered by the Chandrayaan-1 lunar mission of India in the year 2009. Considering the moon to be a desert and using the same motivation behind the technology that was used to discover water on the moon, we shall see how the same technology can be used to detect the smallest droplet of water present underneath your feet. Isn't this something wonderful? Isn't this something unique? Welcome to the Internet of Groundwater. Welcome to Aumsat. Did you know 3 out of 5 Iraqis are facing severe water crisis? This water crisis has led to a food crisis, which in turn has led to a massive migrational crisis. As the population of Iraq is projected to reach 50 million by the year 2030, every drop per crop counts. Iraq imports 61% of water from its neighboring countries. It has been seen that in terms of speed and accuracy of serving a land, there is a big gap for unlocking a scalable solution. Therefore, Chika Mizu provides groundwater hydroanalytics to irrigation departments at $80 per hectare. We are different because unlike traditional costly and time-consuming survey-based methods, we are able to provide all our services with high precision and 75% reduced cost. The market we are targeting is a global groundwater monitoring market estimated to be at $6.7 billion. With our current association with the World Food Programme, United Nations, we plan to monitor the groundwater resources of Iraq, which is a $144 million industry. Having done ideation, brainstorming, and market research, we have generated revenue of $100,000 and created 3,800 water points, thereby impacting thousands of smallholder farmer families. Our current clients include United Nations and departments associated with water, irrigation, and space. These are a list of publications, national, international publications. Using our novel non-invasive imaging technique, we monitor the changes in the groundwater level, which is an indicator of the amount of subsidence and overexploitation of the water that has taken place. This in turn ensures judicious usage of water for the smallholder farmers. We are interoperable with any existing water monitoring SCADA-based system since we provide our analysis in satellite view, street view, 3D view, and radar view respectively. We have a wide spectrum of products ranging from groundwater exploration, conservation, monitoring groundwater exploitation, and solar pump site suitability, thereby providing a comprehensive solution for the energy-water nexus. Most of the solutions are only concerned for groundwater detection, but research has given us the power to carry out predictive analytics and forecasting abilities, unlike most of the solutions present in the market. Using Daiichi 2 and Himawari satellites, we provide site analysis and the design for constructing water recharge structures. The site suitability depends upon the dynamic interactions between land, air, and water, which has its applications in areas of aquaculture, irrigation, hydrology, firefighting, and recreation, etc. Groundwater is more of a socio-economical problem considering the demands of water sellers, water buyers, and control groups. Therefore, we enable hydrosocial contracts to ensure equitable distribution and water resource allocation to the different stakeholders. Our marketing plan is to channelize our impact by creating sustainable and strong relationships with national and international organizations. Till date, we have worked in 6 countries. We are a team of scientists, engineers, and big thinkers passionate about making ideas accessible and actionable. Having been trained by ISRO, NASA, UNOOSA, Google, and Harvard School of Design, our consistent foundations are built on precision, innovation, and trust. At present, with our collaboration with the United Nations, we plan to monitor the groundwater resources of the Karbala city in Iraq, thereby impacting 1.2 million lives. Come, join us in making the irrigation and groundwater infrastructure of Iraq resilient and sustainable. ありがとうございます。
Thank you very much for a great presentation. それでは質疑応答のお時間とさせていただきます。ご質問のある方、挙手をお願いいたします。何かご質問の、はい、それでは Ms. Lola, please.
Thank you again for such an important presentation, and I love your vision and your commitment to the future. I just had an opportunity. I was just in Israel, and we were at the Dead Sea, and we were seeing the incredible challenges that were happening there and the sinkholes and what it means for Jordan, et cetera, and all around the region. Do you have any comments on that and how this type of technology could be used to address that?
Yes. In fact, if I tell that the Japanese Space Agency, and specifically talking about the Daiichi 2 satellite, it is having the L-band radar, which is able to penetrate the subsurface. And as you can see in the figure, if I compare it with the other radar satellites, it is even able to detect the buried paleo channels, which cannot be seen from the naked eyes. So by utilizing the technology provided us by Japan, we want to establish our impact in other parts of the world and benefit the smallholder farmers. Thank you.
Thank you very much. それでは他にご質問のある方いらっしゃいますでしょうか。それでは以上をもちまして、Aumsat Technologies のプレゼンテーションを終了いたします。皆様拍手でお送りください。